how to get access to your WordPress dashboard for the first time. Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to set up some of the most important WordPress settings so that you can get WordPress properly. So stick around and you're gonna love this. You are so welcome again, my dear subscribers, and if you are new here, make sure to click on the description button and the notification button next to it so that you are notified whenever a new video is uploaded and you'll never miss a thing. Once you have subscribed, you'll get access to more informative videos like this one. Type in the name of the website, then you press /wp admin, type in admin and press enter. Should lead you to this page. Then type in your user email address. For example, mine is this one. Type in the password. That should be remembered or not. You log in like that. Click the link below to get access to my free ebook on how to start a blog. You're also welcome to visit my website in the link if you are interested in getting the latest tips on growing your online business. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and to watch the next video. See you there.